Gentlemen, have you ever wondered why some women choose to engage in anal sex? Is it for their own pleasure, to please their partner, or is it something else entirely? I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, urologist and pelvic health specialist, and today we're going to explore the surprising reasons behind this intimate choice insights that most men never hear about, but that can completely change the way you connect with your partner. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Like this video, comment below where you're watching from, and subscribe. Trust me, understanding this topic will make your relationships and intimacy healthier and more enjoyable. Here's the first thing to know. The idea that women engage in anal sex purely because of peer pressure or pornography, that's mostly a myth. Research shows the reasons are far more complex. For some, it's personal desire, pleasure. For others, it's about relationship dynamics, curiosity, or even situational factors like avoiding vaginal sex. And yes, unfortunately, there are situations involving coercion or lack of explicit consent. Understanding these reasons isn't just academic, it's about respecting boundaries, enhancing pleasure, and improving communication, the cornerstones of healthy intimacy. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and for the past 7 years, I've worked with couples and individuals to navigate sexual health and intimacy safely and confidently. I've seen firsthand how understanding the motivations and needs of your partner can transform the experience from awkward or painful to pleasurable and fulfilling. Biologically, respecting comfort and consent prevents physical injury and reduces stress responses. Emotionally, it preserves dignity and trust. Practically, it helps you connect, communicate, and create experiences that are enjoyable for both partners. Let's break down the 6 main reasons based on studies of women's experiences and explore what they mean biologically, emotionally, and practically. 1. Being under the influence. Some women report participating while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Biological. Alcohol or substances can lower inhibitions and affect judgment. Emotional. It can blur desire and consent, sometimes leading to experiences that are unwanted or uncomfortable. Practical. If you're a partner, never assume consent under intoxication. Always communicate clearly and check in. Next, we'll talk about one reason that actually increases pleasure and enjoyment for many women. 2. Personal desire. Many women engage in anal sex simply because they enjoy it. Biological stimulation of nerve endings can create pleasurable sensations just like other forms of sexual activity. Emotional. Choosing this activity can give women a sense of agency, empowerment, and intimacy. Practical. If your partner expresses curiosity or desire, slow, attentive communication and use of lubrication are essential. 3. Pleasing a partner. Some women participate to satisfy their partner's desires. Biological can be enjoyable if both parties are attentive, but may feel uncomfortable if rushed. Emotional offers a sense of care or connection, but if forced, it can lead to resentment or emotional pain. Practical. Always ask, are they participating willingly? Enthusiastic consent matters. 4. Avoiding vaginal sex. Sometimes anal sex is chosen as an alternative to vaginal intercourse, for example, during menstruation or to reduce pregnancy risk. Biological provides a different sexual outlet while avoiding certain physical consequences. Emotional offers reassurance or comfort, especially when vaginal sex isn't possible or desirable. Practical communication about preferences, timing, and hygiene is key. 5. Quid pro quo exchange situations. In some cases, women engage in anal sex in exchange for money, drugs, or other favors. Biological. This can lead to physical strain or injury if unprepared. Emotional can create feelings of discomfort, shame, or detachment. Practical. Understanding the context and ensuring consent is crucial. These situations highlight the importance of safety and respect. 6. Lack of explicit consent or coercion. Unfortunately, some women experience anal sex they didn't explicitly want or consent to. Biological pain, bruising, or injury is common if the activity is forced or rushed. Emotional can cause trauma, fear, or emotional distress. Practical. Always prioritize clear, enthusiastic consent and stop immediately if your partner is uncomfortable. So, what does this mean for you as a partner? Here are practical, doctor-approved steps. Communicate openly. Ask what your partner enjoys and what they're comfortable with. Use lubrication generously. Anal tissue is delicate. Friction without lubrication can cause pain or injury. Go slow. Gradual progression protects tissue and builds trust. Check in constantly. Consent is ongoing. Ask, does this feel okay? And respect boundaries. Consider protection. Condoms reduce STI risk and maintain hygiene. Respect no. If your partner says no, stop immediately. Consent is mandatory always. Gentlemen, understanding these reasons isn't about judgment. It's about empathy and care. When you respect your partner's motivations, whether curiosity, pleasure, or necessity, intimacy becomes safer, more enjoyable, and emotionally fulfilling. Age doesn't diminish your ability to connect meaningfully. Small changes, communication, consent, preparation, and patience bring confidence, comfort, and freedom back into your sexual life. Here's the takeaway. Healthy intimacy is built on respect, consent, and communication. By understanding why your partner engages in different sexual activities, you can strengthen your connection, prevent discomfort, and make every experience mutually satisfying. Try these strategies in your next intimate encounter. Comment below if you found this insight helpful. Like this video and subscribe for more guidance on health, performance, and connection. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, reminding you that vitality, confidence, and meaningful connection don't fade with age. They evolve with awareness and care. Treat yourself and your partner with respect, and your intimacy can flourish for years to